Unlock Moneyview loan discount, guaranteed. Vertical bar promo code plus referral trick, October 2024. Yo money mavens. Need a loan but hate those processing fees? Moneyview has your back, but there's a secret to getting the best discount, the referral trick. This video reveals how to unlock guaranteed approval for the Moneyview processing fee discount, even if you're a first-time user. First-time user bonus? Listen up, newbies. If you haven't downloaded the Moneyview app yet, you are in luck. By using our special referral link in the comments, you'll get guaranteed approval for a discount on that processing fee. But there's a catch. Don't worry, it's easy. It's all about the guidelines. Moneyview has specific guidelines for their processing fee discount offer. This video breaks down those guidelines and shows you exactly what to do. Hint, it's not just about the promo code. Following these simple steps is crucial for unlocking your discount. Promo code myth busted. Hold on a sec. Just having a Moneyview promo code doesn't guarantee the discount. We'll show you how to use the code the right way to maximize your savings. Referral code confusion cleared. Forget about checking expiration dates. Moneyview referral codes don't expire. So, relax and focus on using the referral link in the comments for a smooth application process. The secret's out. Here's the deal. If you downloaded Moneyview directly from the App Store and then look for a promo code, it likely won't work. But don't fret. Uninstall the app and use our referral link to download it again. This activates the discount magic. Sparkles. Bonus, Moneyview referral link and code. Don't miss out. We've included the Moneyview referral link and code in the comments below. Use them to grab your guaranteed discount and unlock all the Moneyview benefits. Smash that like button, subscribe for more money saving tips, and let us know in the comments if you snagged your discount.